and we have the receipt for a radio show. So it's on that basis that we had our plans after opening our office. We go to the radio station for which we paid and have a receipt, and also Boma Grounds, which we paid for and have a receipt from the town plan. So when did things change that now there is a new program and so on, and the district security committee now united to coordinate about the change of program? But we want just in order that we got Kirumia, Abawarani, and then we put. Okay, assuming now that the venue, you're saying there is another event. There's another event, which I don't know about, because the town clerk gave us this very date and signed and stamped, and we paid money. But now, how about the radio station? Because we paid money, have a receipt, and they are waiting for us on the radio for our program. Now, the issue of the radio program, I am not aware. We need with the radio management. But what I know is that Boma Grounds, there is an activity. So let's go to Kirumia. Okay, so can we go and engage the radio management? Because we have a receipt, we paid for the radio program, and they are waiting for us. No, let us go to Kirumia. I found the now.